Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the Capsule II toiletry bag from Quiksilver. This durable polyester toiletry bag is going to be perfect for doing just what it's named after, storing your toiletries. It has this strap on the side here so you can hang it off things if you need to, and it has a very small pocket right there on the front just to store some quick on the outside items. The main compartment has a zipper that goes around in a lunchbox fashion. Opens up to this small mesh pocket there on the front, has a zipper so you can open it up and store some quick things on the top there, and it has this hook as well to hang some other things off of. The inside of the bag itself has plenty of space for extra items that you want to have quick and on hand to make sure you're sanitary and safe. Have everything you need when you have it in this awesome toiletry bag. You never know when you're going to need that kind of stuff when you're out in the outdoors or just traveling around. Pick it up today. It's from Quiksilver.